what problem does brain hammock address? Oh my gosh, women docs are tired, exhausted, overworked, sometimes underpaid, mostly underpaid, really. The literature suggests that continues, which is so frustrating because we have the same degrees, we take the same courses, we do the same things day to day. Okay, don't get me started. Anyway, in Brain Hammock, what we do is we tap into foundational, sustainable neuroscience well-being tools. I have a 9-step framework, and you have access to all the other BrainFresh courses and resources. I have workbooks, and I have a 9-step framework that we just walk through, and we keep building on our learnings. And I give you, access to workshops and lectures and all the books that have meant so much to me and really have, given me so much insight into how to navigate a really stressful, intense, emotional career. Because there are certain careers that are really high risk for burnout, and healthcare is one of them for sure. So don't play with fire. Make sure you put these sustainable tools in place. No question. Okay? You got it, guys.